Today we're going to be looking at how to swap the Type A connection to a Type B connection on your Elumen lights.
Here's a Type A bracket on top and a Type B bracket on the bottom. And you can clearly see the Type B bracket connection is further across to the side.
This is a Type A connection right here. This is how it comes out of the box, the Elumen lights. This is a Type A bracket that fits out of the box with Elumen products. If your bracket looks like this, it's a Type B bracket, and you'll have to do some rearranging of the wires. You unscrew these screws here, unscrew the wires as well. This is the Type B adapter. Comes with a little instruction booklet. Then you attach the Type B adapter and put it all the way across to the side like that. So now you look at your bracket and you just take off this piece and it will fit. Ta-da.